So, onto the fabric cleaner. Craig, this is something that was missing from our lineup for a very long time. Tell me what it's all about.
Yeah, so it is going to be perfect. You've got that stain on your seat, load up your brush, work it into that stain, follow it up with an extraction, wait for it to dry. Same with carpet mats or mats, carpet, anywhere in your interior. Load up the area, work it in with a brush, extract it with a machine. Perfect. So
really an intensive cleaner for very dirty tasks.
Yeah, definitely.
On everything that's the interior, but also the exterior as well.
Yeah, soft tops, fabric roofs, okay. Perfect. And also to add, once the material's nice and dry, nice and soft to the touch, have a more of a natural feel. Yeah. That'd be perfect, ready for
that's something special about it. It really leaves the fibers really soft to the touch.
Yeah, perfect.
Certainly compared to other cleaners out there.
Yeah.
And there's also the protection we can apply afterwards.
Yeah, fabric coat would be perfect for that.
Cool. I really like it on Alcantara as well.
Oh yeah,
so
definitely.
Craig,
show
me how it's done.
Show you how it works.
Perfect.
Here we have a great new fabric cleaner. It's perfect for all your automotive interiors, such as your carpet, your seats. Great for removing dirt and grime, and it also works on your fabric roof too. So nice and easy to use. Spraying some products into your brush with circular motion. Working it into the fabric, removing those stains. Simply grab your bald wipe, maybe flip the towel. Nice and clean and pure, residue free. And then you simply, if you wish, grab your fabric coat and then protect your materials. Okay, for heavily soiled carpets or mats, you simply grab your hoover, suck away any loose dirt and debris, and we'll go from there. So once you're working the fabric cleaner all into your mats or your carpet, once you're satisfied, grab your extraction and suck all the moisture out.